Research reports, your key to unlocking knowledge. Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome to a journey where curiosity meets clarity. Ever wondered how we go from a head full of questions to solid answers? It's a fascinating process, isn't it? That's where research reports swoop in to save the day. They are the unsung heroes of the academic and professional world. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks, guiding you through the exciting world of research and helping you share your incredible findings with the world. They make complex information accessible and understandable. Now let's break it down. What exactly makes a research report so special? Research reports are like detectives, carefully investigating a topic, gathering evidence and presenting their findings in a clear, organized way. They leave no stone unturned. Whether you're exploring the mysteries of the universe or tackling everyday problems, a well-crafted research report is your ticket to making sense of it all. It's your roadmap to discovery. Remember, folks, research reports aren't just about impressing your teachers or professors, they have a much broader impact. They're about empowering you to become critical thinkers, problem solvers, and champions of knowledge. They help you develop skills that are invaluable in any field. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure into the heart of research. The world of knowledge is vast and waiting for you to explore. Journey through research, from question to conclusion. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting adventure through the world of research. All right, research enthusiasts, let's map out our journey to research excellence. It all starts with a solid plan and a clear vision of where you want to go. First things first, you've got to kick things off with a killer research question. This question is the heart and soul of your entire project. Think of it as the compass guiding your entire research adventure. Without it, you'd be lost in a sea of information. What's the burning question you're dying to answer? Take your time to ponder and refine it. Once you've nailed that down, it's time to dive into the wonderful world of information gathering. Next stop, data collection. This is where the real work begins. This is where you roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty, collecting all the juicy details you need to answer your research question. It's a meticulous process, but oh so rewarding. Surveys, interviews, experiments, you name it, research has it. Each method brings its own unique insights and challenges. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. Gathering data is just one piece of the puzzle. We've got to make sense of all this data, right? This is where the fun really begins. That's where data analysis swaggers in. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to solve a mystery. Time to put on our detective hats and sift through the evidence, looking for patterns, trends, and insights that'll blow your mind. This is where you start to see the bigger picture. This is where the real magic happens, folks. Those eureka moments that make all the hard work worth it. And finally, after all that hard work, we arrive at the grand finale, the conclusion. This is your moment to shine. This is where you wrap up your findings, answer your research question, and leave everyone in awe of your newfound knowledge. It's the culmination of your journey, and it's a moment to be proud of. Tailor-made reports, one size doesn't fit all. Hold up, research rock stars. Let's dive into the world of reports and discover why customization is key. Before you go churning out reports like there's no tomorrow, remember this: not all reports are created equal. Each report serves a unique purpose and audience. Just like your wardrobe has different outfits for different occasions, the research world has different reports for different purposes. Let's talk fashion, research style. Imagine your reports as your professional attire. Need to give someone a quick rundown of a situation? A brief, concise summary is often all you need. A simple descriptive report is your go-to. It's like a quick snapshot, providing essential information without overwhelming details. Think of it as the trusty jeans and t-shirt of the report world, straightforward and to the point. It's comfortable, reliable, and gets the job done. But what if you're dealing with a complex issue that needs some serious problem solving? That's when things get a bit more intricate. That's when you call in the big guns, a comprehensive report with alternative solutions. This type of report is thorough and leaves no stone unturned. This report is like a tailored suit, sophisticated, detailed, and ready to impress. It's meticulously crafted to address every aspect of the issue at hand. It dives deep into the problem, explores different angles, and presents a range of possible solutions. It's your go-to for in-depth analysis and strategic planning. So before you start typing away, take a moment to figure out what you're trying to achieve with your report. Consider your audience and the message you want to convey. Remember, the right report for the job will make all the difference in getting your message across. Tailor your reports to fit the occasion, and you'll always make a lasting impression. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.